FNSS, a Turkish defense company, stands as a prominent innovator in the armored vehicle industry. With a commitment to cutting-edge technology and a global outlook, FNSS designs and manufactures a diverse range of armored vehicles. These vehicles cater to the needs of modern armed forces worldwide. FNSS's dedication to innovation is evident in their flagship products, the ZAHA Amphibious assault vehicle and the PARS Alpha wheeled armored vehicle. FNSS's success stems from its customer-centric approach, prioritizing the specific requirements of armed forces. This commitment has earned FNSS a reputation for delivering high-quality, reliable, and adaptable vehicles. The company's focus on research and development ensures that their products remain at the forefront of armored vehicle technology. As a key player in the global defense industry, FNSS actively collaborates with international partners, particularly in Southeast Asia. The ZAHA Amphibious assault vehicle embodies FNSS's commitment to innovation. Designed for the Turkish Armed Forces, ZAHA represents a significant leap forward in amphibious warfare technology. Its ability to seamlessly transition between land and water makes it a formidable force in diverse operational environments. ZAHA boasts a powerful engine and a well-designed hull form allowing for rapid movement in water. Its advanced armor provides exceptional protection for troops during amphibious assaults. This vehicle can deliver troops and equipment to shore, providing crucial support during coastal operations. The PARS Alpha is a testament to FNSS's focus on versatility and adaptability in armored vehicle design. As a wheeled armored vehicle, PARS Alpha offers a balance between mobility, protection, and firepower. Its modular design allows for customization based on specific mission requirements. PARS Alpha can be configured for various roles including troop transport, reconnaissance, and combat support. Its advanced suspension system ensures optimal performance on different terrains. The vehicle's mine-resistant hull and armor provide superior crew protection. Global partnerships, expanding horizons. FNSS recognizes the importance of international collaboration in the defense industry. The company has established strategic partnerships with countries seeking to enhance their defense capabilities. One notable partnership is with Indonesia, where FNSS has been actively involved in joint development and technology transfer programs. This collaboration has resulted in the production of the Kaplan MT medium-weight tank, specifically designed to meet Indonesia's defense needs. This partnership exemplifies FNSS's commitment to working closely with international partners, fostering technological exchange and strengthening defense ties. Industry experts have recognized FNSS's contributions to armored vehicle development. Defense analyst Attila Sandikli highlights FNSS's innovative spirit, stating, "FNSS has consistently pushed the boundaries of armored vehicle technology. Their focus on research and development has resulted in products that meet the evolving needs of modern militaries." Another expert, Dr. Ozgur Eksi, emphasizes the significance of FNSS's international collaborations. FNSS's partnerships, particularly with Indonesia, demonstrate their commitment to knowledge sharing and co-development. These collaborations not only benefit the countries involved but also contribute to the advancement of the global defense industry. Has established itself as a leading innovator in the armored vehicle industry. Their commitment to cutting-edge technology, customer-centric approach, and global outlook has earned them a reputation for excellence. FNSS's vehicles, such as the ZAHA and PARS Alpha, demonstrate their ability to develop advanced armored solutions tailored to diverse operational requirements. FNSS's international collaborations, especially with Indonesia, exemplify their dedication to knowledge sharing and co-development. As FNSS continues to innovate and expand its global presence, they are poised to play an increasingly crucial role in shaping the future of the defense industry. Their unwavering pursuit of excellence ensures that FNSS remains at the forefront of armored vehicle technology, contributing to a safer and more secure world.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.